So we are doing a unboxing of a massage gun by a company called Meavon, which I believe are under the Xiaomi brand umbrella of brands. So it comes in a pretty nice box here, pretty plain box. This model number is the MVFG0308. A couple of other specifications on there. It is a massage gun though, with a few included heads, so you can see there nothing unusual or different really. I'll just unbox it here. Remove the box. So it comes in a pretty nice portable travel case, which you can just unzip here. So there you go, you can see the contents and how it comes. It's I haven't used this case, but there's a little foam divider you can remove there, and a little instruction booklet, and it's got a nice pouch here, so you can put some other stuff there. So you have the charger brick, the unit itself, and the different attachments. Another option you can purchase with this product is this base here, which I opted to get. So it's basically just a stand, and it's got a charging port there, and you plug in the charger there. So I'll show that in a moment. So we can start by actually just putting the different attachments in there. All fits in nicely, and then you can take the unit out, and it just goes into here. You push down on it, and there you're good to go. So you can plug the charger just in the bottom here, and it will charge, or if you buy the stand, which is a separate option, you can plug it in like that, and then it just clicks in like that. So you can see how it works there. So we'll just put that to the side for now, and we'll just put the base to the side as well, and just have a look at the gun, the massage gun. So very well constructed. It's quite nicely designed, simply. And you can see the power button on the back here. Let me just adjust the camera. And by pressing and holding, you can turn it on. It is quite quiet. And then you can increase the speed, and then this one is a low speed cycle, so it'll gradually increase the RPM and then decrease it, and then that is a faster one. You can see it working there. Very nice to hold, and it is very easy to change the attachments to something like this. You just push it in, and you can twist it and just turn it on there. Battery lasts a very long time. I believe it has a few 18650 cells in the base, and you can see it there. I've been using this for quite a few months now, and I've only needed to charge it once, maybe using it once a week or something like that for an hour or two. So you can see the base there, but otherwise a very good product. Pretty happy with it, and I can recommend it. And I'll leave it at that for the Meavon massage gun.